plane like a bullet, the SR-71 Blackbird is incredibly fast. Imagine a plane faster than a speeding bullet. That's the SR-71. It's a spy plane designed to fly high and fast. The Blackbird could outrun missiles. Its speed was its shield. This made it a legend in the world of aviation. Secrets of speed. The SR-71's design is special. It was created with one purpose in mind, to be the fastest aircraft in the sky. Every aspect of its design, from the shape of its body to the materials used, was meticulously planned to achieve this goal. It has a long, sleek body. The wings are delta-shaped, which helps reduce drag and increase stability at high speeds. This unique wing design allows the SR-71 to cut through the air with minimal resistance, making it incredibly efficient. This helps it fly fast and high. The SR-71 can reach altitudes of over 85,000 feet, where the air is thinner, reducing aerodynamic drag even further. This high-altitude capability also allows it to avoid most enemy radar and surface-to-air missiles. The Blackbird's engines are powerful. They are some of the most advanced engines ever built, designed to operate efficiently at both subsonic and supersonic speeds. They are turbojet and ramjet engines combined. This hybrid engine design allows the SR-71 to transition smoothly from takeoff to cruising at Mach 3.2, which is over 3 times the speed of sound. This gives it incredible thrust. The afterburners provide an extra boost of power, enabling the aircraft to reach its top speeds quickly and maintain them for extended periods. The SR-71 is made of titanium. This metal is not only strong but also lightweight, which is crucial for achieving high speeds and maintaining structural integrity. This metal can withstand high heat. Titanium's high melting point allows the SR-71 to endure the extreme temperatures generated by air friction at high speeds. This is important because the plane gets very hot at high speeds. The heat generated can reach up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and without titanium, the aircraft would not be able to survive these conditions. The Cold War The SR-71 was built during the Cold War, a period marked by intense rivalry and suspicion between the United States and the Soviet Union. This aircraft was a marvel of engineering, designed to outpace and outmaneuver any threat it might encounter. It was a time of tension between the United States and the Soviet Union, with both superpowers locked in a struggle for global influence. The stakes were incredibly high, and the need for reliable intelligence was paramount. The Blackbird was designed to spy on the Soviet Union, flying at altitudes and speeds that made it nearly impossible to catch. Its primary mission was to gather critical intelligence that could provide the US with a strategic advantage. The SR-71 flew missions all over the world, from the icy expanses of the Arctic to the deserts of the Middle East. Its global reach made it an invaluable asset in the intelligence community. It could survey huge areas in a short time, capturing detailed images and data that were crucial for national security. The speed and altitude at which it operated allowed it to cover vast distances quickly. The information it gathered was very important, often providing insights that could prevent conflicts or give the US a strategic edge. Analysts would pore over the data, extracting valuable intelligence. The Blackbird's speed kept it safe. Flying at over 3 times the speed of sound, it could outrun any missile fired at it. This incredible speed was one of its greatest defenses. It was never shut down, even though many tried. The SR-71's combination of speed, altitude, and advanced technology made it a formidable tool in the Cold War, and it remains a legend in aviation history. Legends in the sky. The SR-71 set many records. Known as the Blackbird, this aircraft was a marvel of engineering and design. It was developed in the 1960 seconds by Lockheed's Skunk Works division, led by the legendary Clarence de Kelly Johnson. The Blackbird was designed to fly faster and higher than any other aircraft of its time, and it certainly lived up to that promise. It still holds the record for the fastest air-breathing manned aircraft. With a top speed of over 2,200 miles per hour, the SR-71 could outrun surface-to-air missiles and enemy fighters. Its speed was so great that the aircraft's skin would heat up to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit during flight. In 1976, it flew from New York to London in less than 2 hours. This transatlantic flight set a new speed record that remains unbroken to this day. The Blackbird's ability to cover such vast distances in such a short amount of time made it an invaluable asset for reconnaissance missions during the Cold War. The Blackbird could fly at 80,000 feet. At this altitude, it was well above the range of most enemy missiles and aircraft. The thin air at such heights also reduced aerodynamic drag, allowing the SR-71 to achieve its incredible speeds. That's higher than most planes can fly. Commercial airliners typically cruise at around 35,000 feet, and even modern military jets rarely exceed 60,000 feet. The Blackbird's ability to operate at such extreme altitudes gave it a significant advantage in both speed and safety. From that height, it could see for hundreds of miles. The SR-71 was equipped with advanced cameras and sensors that allowed it to gather detailed intelligence over vast areas. This made it an essential tool for monitoring enemy movements and gathering critical information during the Cold War. Astronauts trained on the SR-71. The aircraft's high-speed, high-altitude capabilities made it an ideal platform for preparing astronauts for the rigors of space travel. Many of the skills and techniques developed during SR-71 training were directly applicable to space missions. Its cockpit and controls were similar to a spacecraft. The SR-71's advanced avionics and instrumentation provided pilots with the information they needed to operate at the edge of the atmosphere. This unique combination of speed, altitude, and technology made the Blackbird a true legend in the sky. A legacy of speed, the SR-71 Blackbird is no longer in service, but it remains an icon of aviation. Its speed, design, and capabilities are amazing. The Blackbird pushed the boundaries of what was possible. It showed us what could be done with engineering and determination. The SR-71 is a reminder that humans can achieve amazing things. It inspires us to reach for the stars.